Before we get to the holiday, we have to deal with a storm that's headed our way this weekend. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo here to break down exactly what we can expect to see. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Jessica. Yeah, it is going to be a bit of an interesting weekend. We start with a blast of Arctic air, and then a powerful storm system moves up the eastern seaboard, bringing rain, snow, and wind to really the entire area. It just depends on where you are, whether you'll see more rain or more snow. It looks like for most of us, this is more rain than snow. Current conditions right now, temperatures are starting to plummet. It's 39 in Philadelphia. Feels 11 degrees colder than that. There is that cold, biting wind from the north-northwest, 23 miles an hour sustained, gusting to 33 miles per hour right now. This winds of change, basically, and you can see feels like temperatures all across the region right now already running about 10 to 15 degrees below what the actual temperature is. It feels like 16 in Allentown right now. Feels like 2 in Mount Pocono, and it feels like 28 again here in Philadelphia. Storm Scan 3 is dry for now. It's going to stay that way tomorrow, and most of Sunday's dry as well. But this system is going to dive south and then pick up speed as it heads up the eastern seaboard. The center of the low, though, will stay inland, which is why this is going to turn out to be a rainstorm instead of a snowstorm. We have all the cold air in place. If this were just a couple hundred miles further east off the coast, we could be talking about a major snowstorm. As it stands with the low inland, this is going to change to rain. So tonight, 12 degrees. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, most of the area will be feeling wind chills in the 0 to 10 below range. In the Poconos, it'll feel as cold as 20 below zero, and down the shore and in southern Delaware, it'll feel like the single digits. And tomorrow, despite the sun, it's not going to feel much better than the single digits most of the day, maybe feeling like 14 or 15 in the afternoon at best. Then we await the arrival of our storm system, and this is going to get in later on Sunday. So here's a look at it. By 5:30 or 6 o'clock, we start to see snow breaking out, especially west of the city. This is going to start as snow from I-95 on north and west. If you're in South Jersey or Delaware, the areas that got hit by the first storm, this is not going to be snow for you. This looks like all rain for these areas. For most of us, we'll see a quick changeover from snow to rain. There may be a brief mix with sleet in between, and then it's just heavy rain. You can see the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. That's where it's going to stay snow longer, and that's where we may see some higher accumulations. But for all of us, it eventually turns into heavy downpours, very strong winds as well. So how much snow are we talking? From the city on south and east, virtually nothing. Maybe a couple of inches, and this is before the rain starts north and west. Most of that gets washed away. In the Lehigh Valley and parts of the Poconos, 3 to 6. The farther north and west you go, over 6 inches possible. But then with a changeover to sleet or rain, a lot of that will get compacted. Winds could gust up to 50 miles an hour inland and up to 60 miles an hour down the shore Sunday night and into Monday. That is strong enough for power outages. We'll also have to watch for coastal flooding concerns down the shore with all that water piling up off the coast. So while this isn't a major snowstorm for the vast majority of us, it is a very strong storm. It's going to produce very heavy rain, possible power outages, those strong winds. The worst of it, thankfully, is overnight. It moves out quickly on Martin Luther King Jr. Day Monday, and then much quieter weather by Tuesday and Wednesday. Jessica, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thanks.